So welcome to the first video of many in this series. My goal with this series is just to kind of help others learn how to code in Java. Since when I was learning Java, I couldn't really find that many free resources that would actually explain the concepts of Java in like a way that anyone could understand. In this video, we're just gonna set up kind of the different softwares that we're gonna need. And alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is download a program which is gonna basically allow us to code in Java. So the program is called IntelliJ, and all the URLs and links should be in the description. And we're basically gonna download the community edition unless you want to purchase this, but for this tutorial or this series, I would recommend you to download the community edition. So yeah, and if for a Mac you're gonna want to download the DMG version, and if you are using a Windows computer, you would want to download the EXE version. Alright, so the installer downloaded, and you're just gonna want to open it. And if you're in a Mac, just drag the program into the applications folder. And if you're on a Windows, you are going to want to click install on the installer. So, and that should do the trick. Alright, so once we've downloaded IntelliJ, we're going to want to download the Java JDK, or the Java development kit, which will basically allow us to compile and kind of write Java applications. So we're going to want to go to java.sun.com. The link will be in the description. And we're gonna want to go to Java SE. So just click it, and it should take us to this page. So we're just gonna want to click on Java. Now, don't worry if the version of the JDK is different than mine. That's better, since it is the latest version of the Java development kit. But we're just gonna want to go down here and remember to accept the license agreement, which will let us download the software or development kit. And if you're on a Windows, you're gonna want to download this one. If you have a 64-bit, if you're running the 64-bit version of Windows, you're gonna want to download those, or the EXE. And if you're on a Mac, you're just gonna want to download the DMG. So you're just gonna want to click it, and it should download. Or if you are on a 32-bit version of Windows, then you are going to want to download the latest version of the Java development kit. So you just want to Google Java development kit or Java JDK, and click this one. This version of Java is kind of an older version of Java, the JDK, but this is the latest kind of version of Java that will support 32-bit Windows. So you're just gonna want to download this one. And again, this version of the Java JDK may be different for you, but that just means that there's more features, which is better. Alright, so let's just let the JDK to finish downloading. Alright, so once the JDK has finished downloading, you're just going to want to run it. Same with Windows, you're just going to want to run the installer. and then just open this one, or the package. So you're just gonna want to click continue and then install. You know, want to type your password, or if you have fingerprint ID, then you can also use that. You can move it to the trash or just keep it on your desktop. Alright, so basically that is all we really need to start writing in Java and start learning how to write in Java. The next video will be on data, or primitive data types, like the integer or int, or the double and the boolean, and etc. So yeah, see you then.